help over 100 different stray dogs find a loving home.
Something all of these dogs have in common is that they were...
Oh, sorry guys, I didn't see you there. I was just watching MRBEAST videos.
Yeah? What is this?
They're so cool. I feel like today something really interesting is going to happen because I'm going to transform into MRBEAST himself. By the way, our cameraman is a huge fan of MRBEAST, aren't you? Guys, write in the comments which is your favorite MRBEAST video. I want to know that. Is it okay that I ask people to write about the best video from completely different channel?
It's fine.
Alright. Just forget what I said, okay? Better write in the comments what you would like me to transform into. I will read your comments.
Thank you for watching.
Hey, why don't we make MRBEAST transformation in MRBEAST style?
Let's make it a challenge.
Challenge! I like that. Let's do it. Well, hello everyone! Hello dear subscribers! Today on MUAhaha channel we're gonna see a huge transformation of MRBEAST and I will be doing it for $10,000. Wow. Bring the money here, eh?
We have only $11. And gum.
You're kidding, right? Okay. All right, we played enough. Let's proceed with a simple transformation. I mean, what's wrong with that, right? So the first thing I would like to start with is the face cream. Okay, let's put the face cream. You know, I think after this transformation, I will speak like MRBEAST. Maybe like this, will be more manly.
You have no sense of humor.
I do actually, just your jokes are never funny.
Let's tell me a joke.
Tell you a joke, a funny one. Knock knock.
Knock knock. Who is here?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, did you see his last video where he locked himself in a room for 7 days trying to survive?
No.
So, what about if we lock you in a room for 7 days? You're gonna have to do 3 makeups a day.
Very nice idea.
This video will get millions of views.
Yes, I agree.
That's right.
Millions of views. I agree. Amazing. We're gonna do it. For now, ciao. I would say my skin is a little bit darker than Jimmy Donaldson, so to resemble him, I will actually need a little bit lighter foundation. Let me get that. Okay, let's start applying the foundation.
Do you know how old is MRBEAST?
No, I never thought about it.
25.
Alright, now it looks a little bit too white, too pale I would say, but MRBEAST has a little bit of the red shades on his face, so let's add some blush. Alright, just shading everywhere.
What will you do if MRBEAST would actually do makeup transformation to you?
It's party time!
I don't think that would work. Alright, let's continue blending everywhere.
If you would transform into me, what process would you start with?
You mean if I do makeup transformation into you?
Yeah.
To begin with, I would choose a better taste of clothing, I think. And anyway, I would never do makeup transformation into you. Oops. I think now we can move to the next step, which is eyebrows. Guys in general have a little bit different eyebrows than girls, if you know what I mean. They are worse. Much worse. Alright, so let's make my eyebrows more thick. I'll be using this pencil. So let's start by just coloring the actual eyebrow. And then we're gonna slowly draw an extra ones. Just extra hair in front. Let's finish. And... oh my god, it's a bit too much, no? I think I need to clean it. Okay, I fixed the eyebrows. I think now they look great. And next step is to actually make some wrinkles. MRBEAST has some, I mean, everyone has them, so it's okay. It's good to emphasize it. So let's start by adding some small shadow here from the eyebrow towards the nose. From other side as well. Okay, so the shadowing is done out here next to the nose. I also added some wrinkles by the side here. And now let's go with the dimples. Actually, Mr. Beast has very cute dimples. I do have them as well, right? Anyways, I will make it a bit brighter by using the shadow here. Sorry, I'll be speaking like that, but I need to draw some wrinkles. Never mind, not everything is done yet, so we have to finish. Okay, so I finished with the dimples. You can see them nicely when I'm smiling. Sorry, can you come for a moment just to discuss something?
What?
A bit closer, a little more. I need your beard. All right, I guess this won't work, but I need a beard, so I guess I have to draw it then. Let's start by putting the shadow on the place where the beard will actually be. So I will start by this part. Just making a little darker. We can continue on the mustache area. All right, I think the basic shape is ready. What do you think, Lucy?
Not so much.
You have to trust the process. This is just the beginning. Now we're gonna start drawing the actual hair on it. So I'm gonna be using eyeliner pen. Not too intense, let's not press the brush too much. Let's continue with the beard. The same actions, just like that. Drawing the small lines. It takes a lot of time. Yeah, let's finish the beard. How do I look?
It suits you very well.
Suits me, like to be a guy.
I didn't say that.
So, I think I need to make my lips a little bit thinner, so let's add concealer. Just like that. And on top as well. Okay, lips are ready. I added some pink shade in it as well. Now, let's move to the best part, hair. So let's put the wig cap first. Okay. All right. It's ready. Time for the wig. All right, I have two wigs, darker brown and lighter one. Which one should I wear? Left, right?
Right.
Right. You mean right from my side or from your side?
For you.
So this one. All right, let's try. Okay. All right. Okay, it does need some styling for sure. So let's take a brush and try to style it. All right. The hair looks much better. I love it now. The only thing is missing is clothes.
Ketchup.
Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. I actually look like Mr. Beast. So cool. Now I can start doing the challenges. But one thing is missing. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay, bye. Then Jimmy Dawson. Okay, again. By the way, our cameraman. Fan, aren't you? It's so hard to say, aren't you? Wait. Okay, again. Because I'm good. Wait, the ending was.